the brain might have led you to choose a new career, engineering. I'm not guessing who won. It doesn't matter either. Have you ever wondered, staring at your engineering drawings, reports, or your code lines that you write, what would have happened if you have followed your artistic calling? Very different, right? We conclude, as so deep-rooted in our minds, it's so in the field of engineering is no country for artists. But art is most important element in engineering. I'll be telling you how and why. It is the most important element. In fact, art without engineering is dreaming, and engineering without art is calculating. Now you may have questioned that if engineering is an art or a science. Most of us world place it firmly in the latter camp, with the careful applications of specific rules and factors. It's a both discipline based on scientific and mathematical principle that you perceive in your academics. But engineering work blurs the lines between the art and the science. Art sculptures are the cookies cutter buildings. They are designed outside the box, are aesthetically complex. As engineers, you must find ways to make the aesthetic work while applying principles of physics. As I have learned in my first year of engineering by Dr. Pradeep sir, but engineering is what we know for sure is that human imagining has no bounds. Call yourself an engineer or an artist. With curiosity and perseverance, as it companions, the human mind will keep exploring the universe. I know you all are now having the question, the being, why are we talking about the art and an engineer together? What is art? What it needs? Art is something which needs a lot of ideas and creativity. An artist can visualize that, no one can dare. Imagination is always out of the box. Artists use their imagination skills and create something that no one has ever seen nor thought about, and so is all about engineering is. Engineering is about creating your ideas, creating some unique solutions that no one ever thought, and helping the society to improve in every possible way. So now I think we are surely agreed that engineering is an art. This wasn't possible because every engineer turns the imagination into the reality. So what we have done just now, we have invited all the students across the globe to participate in InnoFista 2022. It wasn't possible without our backbone supports, our Dean IIIC Sugandha ma'am, our faculty advisor Santosh Nayak sir, our principal sir, and all the faculties who have helped us in all the way possible. Thank you very much. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak here in InnoFesta 2022. Thank you everyone.
The one who is truly made by his words, Ms. Shiba Shaista, thank you for sharing your such an insightful information to us. Mohammed Sohail is currently pursuing his undergraduate in Electronic and Communication Engineering. He is a co-chair at National Student Council NSC of IUCW and serves as a vice president of IUCW EWB Hitham Student Chapter. He is passionate about large-scale research and development. He is motivated and dedicated engineer. In fact, he has excellent experience in organizing IUCW Student Summit 2021 and 2022 as a co-chair. He always strives to develop his skills and back himself and the people around him will be in a confidence manner. So his communication, presentation, leadership skills help him make his way into the professional world. So I welcome Mr. Mohammed Sohail to come onto the stage.
good morning to one and all. Very good morning to one and all present here. First of all, I would like to welcome you all to the InnoFista, a national event of IUC EWB Hitam Student Chapter, organized by Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management. Well, every time you walk around the streets and wonder how about the things and the structures and the vehicles around you, you should be thankful to the things called engineers. Science is about knowing and engineering is about doing. Creativity and the wealth of knowledge involves engineering. Engineering graduates are impacting world like any other. How you listen this quotation, which has a deep meaning, winners never quit and quitters never win. Well, I am Mohammad Sohail, currently pursuing my third year in Electronics and Communication Engineering. I serve for the co-chair for the National Student Council of IUCEE and vice president for the IUC EWB Hitam Student Chapter. As the world is changing, engineers are the one who behind much of this development. For ages, engineering has turned imagination and fantasy into a tangible and useful something. Engineers must be creative yet creative, critical yet creative, curious yet capable, as well as ready to handle the constantly changing the world. Engineering is not about ideas, it's about making things happen. But do you know what the real engineering is? Real engineering is not about studying 45 subjects and maintaining a good percentage. It's all about working with the tools, mechanics and software and hardware, using the knowledge and the skills to provide innovation and to become an innovators. Theoretical knowledge is a foundation for education, while practical training helps the implementation for this every knowledge of real project. Practical application for the engineering students help them to improve their technical skills, but it also helps them in learning how to collaborate with a team, assisting them to improve their leadership abilities. Engineering is the application for the scientific principle. If the engineer is not practical, then it's not an engineering. So in Hitam, we believe that doing engineering is far better than studying engineering. Thank you.
The one who is truly meant by his words, Mohammad Sohail. Thank you for sharing an insightful information to us. All your sweet notes have filled our hearts with positivity and good vibes. By carrying these good vibes, let's start our two astonishing events, that is Hack Battle and Elocution. Before that, let's take a break. Rest your mind, calm your hearts and recharge yourself, because this energy isn't enough. We'll be right back, so stay tuned.